everyone. I welcome you all to my channel Master SSB, and today's picture is in front of your screen. This picture can be used by both male and female aspirants as there are no characters in the picture. So this is an open picture. The image shows an indoor dining room setup. There is a rectangular dining table at the center with 4 chairs, one on each side of the table. On the table there are 4 cups placed on saucers, one in front of each chair. In the background to the right, there is a tall wooden cupboard with 2 large doors and panel details. On the left side of the image, there is a window with curtains partly visible. The room appears neat and orderly with no people present in the scene. So we can make any story. This is an open picture. I am going to give you 2 themes. Have a look at the first one. Rohit had recently relocated to a new city after joining his company. To build good rapport with his colleagues, he planned a small get-together at his home over the weekend. He cleaned and arranged the living and dining area properly to make a comfortable environment for everyone. Rohit prepared dinner earlier in that day and neatly set the dining table with cups and plates. Before the guests arrived, he put on light instrumental music to maintain a warm atmosphere. He welcomed his colleagues at the door with a smile and offered them tea and snacks first. They all sat together, talked about their experiences in the company, and got to know each other better. As dinner time approached, Rohit reheated the dishes and served the meal hot. Post dinner, he served a small homemade dessert to end the meal on a sweet note. Finally, Rohit gathered everyone and clicked a group picture and shared some light laughter before winding up. Rohit thanked everyone for showing up and felt more connected to his new team in the new city. Okay, so here's the explanation of our first story. First, neutral and positive approach. There was no unnecessary problem, or I would say nothing was shown in the picture, a very neutral picture. Rohit is shown as well settled, confident, and taking proactive steps without any unnecessary problems. The situation remains normal and pleasant. Second, connection with the picture. The dining table, chairs, cups, and indoor setup visible in the picture are logically used in the story as part of the gathering arrangement. Third, planning and organization ability. He cleaned and arranged the home, set up the dining table, and planned dinner earlier, reflecting foresight and good organizational skills. Fourth, social and team building quality. He invited colleagues to build rapport and created a friendly environment, showing a cooperative and positive workplace attitude. Fifth, hospitality. Offering snacks, tea, hot dinner, and dessert shows his caring and welcoming nature towards guests. Sixth, responsible home management. He ensured a pleasant atmosphere with music, proper seating, and timely serving, showing maturity in managing domestic responsibilities. Seventh, positive ending. Everyone enjoyed, took a group picture, and Rohit felt well connected with his new colleagues, ensuring a happy and satisfying conclusion. So this was our explanation of our theme 1. Now have a look at our second story. Rohit had recently received a promotion at his company and his senior invited him for a small celebratory dinner at his home. Rohit dressed nicely as per occasion, bought a bouquet for ma'am, a premium chocolate box for the kids, and a bottle of wine for sir. He reached a little early and politely asked if he could help in any way. Rohit arranged the dining table neatly and helped in serving snacks while exchanging light conversations. He interacted warmly with the kids and even played with them. Dinner was served and Rohit joined the family, maintaining good dining etiquette and contributing positively to conversations. He shared his learning experiences and expressed gratitude to his senior for guiding him in the workplace. Before leaving, he thanked everyone sincerely and wished to host them soon at his place. The evening strengthened his rapport with his senior's family and Rohit was happy about the same. Okay, so have a look at the explanation of our second story. First, neutral and positive approach. Just like our theme 1, the story remains completely positive, centered around a professional and respectful interaction. No negative emotions or conflicts are added. Second, connection with the picture. The story justifies why Rohit is dressed formally and present in a well-arranged drawing room, reflecting a social occasion with the senior's family, and the tables and the cups present, they are justified in the story. Third, professional etiquette and maturity. Rohit brings appropriate gifts, converses politely, and carries himself with confidence, highlighting good manners and corporate professionalism. Fourth, initiative and helping nature. By arriving early and assisting with arrangements and serving snacks, Rohit demonstrates willingness to take initiative rather than waiting to be told. Fifth, social adaptability. Rohit interacts comfortably with both adults and kids, showing he adapts well in mixed social settings, a desirable OLQ for teamwork and bonding. 6. Gratitude and humility. He expresses appreciation for guidance received from his senior and remains grounded even after a promotion, showing humility in success. 7th, positive ending. The story concludes with strengthened relationships and mutual respect, which leaves a pleasant and progressive impression. So friends, I have given you two themes. Just like I told you before that this theme can be used for both the female and male aspirants. Just नाम change कर देना, दोनों के लिए चल जाएगी. This is an important picture repeated often in the SSBs. So be prepared for it. I have given you two themes. If you have more themes, please comment in the comment section. I would love to go through them. Friends, you might have seen a picture in which there are two characters, an old lady and a boy, young boy sitting on the chair with his hands on his ears, and both are in negative state. If you want story on this picture, it is there on your screen. You can click and go through it. So friends, this was our video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, Jai Hind.